shadows dancing in between. We got hearts but they're tangled in the wire, singing love songs through electric fire. Every message lost in the air tonight. Still I feel your pulse in the satellite. Oh, we're drifting but we don't fall apart. You're the rhythm beating through my heart. And even if the world goes cold and numb, your melody still makes me come undone. We're wired birds flying through the storm, broken wings, but we keep flying on. Through the noise, through the endless blur, I still hear you, my wired bird. Yeah, yeah. Fly on, don't let go, ooh, no. Concrete jungle but we plant our roots in a rhythm only we can choose. Baseline heavy like a heartbeat strong. Your love keeps pulling me along. Signals crossing in the midnight blue. Every frequency leads me to you. We're rebels in a coated sky, but your touch keeps me alive. Even when the silence screams so loud, you're the calm that lifts me from the crowd. We're wired birds flying through the storm, broken wings, but we keep flying on. Through the noise, through the endless blur, I still hear you, my wired bird. Oh, yeah. Don't fade away, stay close. If the power fades and the night goes blind, I'll still trace your love in my mind. No machine could ever replace the human spark in your embrace. Let the system crash, let the silence fall. We don't need their world at all. Just your voice, just your flame, calling out my name. Boom, boom, feel it now. Hearts align, no disconnect. We're wired birds flying through the storm, scarred and wild, but forever warm. Through the chaos, through the unheard, I still love you, my wired bird. Don't you break, oh, stay, yeah, yeah. Signal fading but the love remains. Wired birds never change.